Okay guys, 2024 Honda CRV EX all-wheel drive. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title. Damage is right here. Fender area. Did blow the airbags. Close look at started up here for you. 13,569 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, downhill descent, brake hold, heated seats. All your different options here. Backup camera. EX does come with the sunroof. Traction control. Power windows, locks and mirrors. The airbag did deploy. It does have some, wrinkles and repair that they did there. There's their floor mats. There is a little mark there, little cut there too. Those don't normally blink, that's the refresh rate of the camera. Again, 2024 Honda CRV EX. Rebuilt title, damage through here. All fixed up, ready to go. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.